The strategy of Total is to develop innovative products, investing 20 million euros in research and development per year. The idea for the Total Group is clearly to differentiate itself from its competitors with innovative products. This is the basis of fuel economy lubricants. What you should know is that over the energy balance of a tractor, 15% of losses are attributed to friction within the engine or transmission. The purpose of eco-fuel technology is to get percentages over these 15% losses. In 2007, Total Lubricants developed for agriculture engine fuel economy lubricants. Now we're taking another step with the possibility that we give to farmers to lubricate the entire drivetrain with fuel economy lubricants in order to maximize fuel economy or gain power with fuel economy lubricants for engine and transmission. We wanted to compare the results obtained in the laboratory with a test in real conditions with a representative farmer. Today, it's in the Cuma of Genlis in Burgundy that we decided to carry out these tests. A Cuma is a cooperative use of agricultural equipment. Farmers are buying equipment together and share with others financing, maintenance, repairs. They optimize the business by reducing costs of mechanization. It was a great occasion to watch this new fuel economy lubricant to see what results we could obtain on a farm, in fields, and on the road. At the Cuma, we have 4 tractors that run more than 3,000 hours per year. So if you can make savings on the fuel costs, it can be appreciable. The main idea of these tests was to establish a precise protocol so that we can reproduce it on any equipment, any brand, any power, and each time measure the profit provided by fuel eco technology. The second idea was to have truly representative tests made with a farmer in his daily work phases. We've decided to cut the tests in 2 parts. A first part dedicated to road, lasting 3 days. The first day we measured the consumption of the tractor with classic lubricants. The second day we measured the consumption of the tractor with fuel economy lubricants. And a third day we got back to the classic lubricants to cross-check data. Then we compare the results, classic lubricants versus fuel eco lubricants. The second part of the test took place in the fields, on 3 days as well. First day, classic lubricants, second day, fuel economy lubricants, and third day, classic lubricants to cross-check results from the first day. At the same time, we also measured the performance of classic lubricants and fuel economy lubricants on a bench to determine the consumption gain, but also the power gain.
Non seulement de consommation, mais également le gain de puissance apporté par les lubrifiants Fuel Eco par rapport aux lubrifiants standards.
If you compare classic lubricants and fuel economy lubricants in terms of power, the benefit is about 8 horsepower, available for the tractor at maximum power. We noticed from the first 3 days' test on the road a very positive effect on speed. On a road that climbs, in the same conditions, we have a gain of 2 to 3 kilometers per hour with fuel economy lubricants. The tractor has less resistance and goes a little faster for the same work or for the same consumption, so there's a real gain using this lubricant. At a time when the tests are completed, our satisfaction is that we have demonstrated in real conditions important savings by using fuel eco technology. And on top of that, through this very precise protocol, we're able to reproduce these results. That can really make substantial savings. If you can gain 1 liter per hour with about 3,000 hours, it saves 3,000 liters at the end of the year. It's a lot.